How to find data saver settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find data saver settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy. Now scroll down. Scroll down until you find data saver, and here you will find it. You can turn it on just by one click, and that's it. And that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.